Is your Windows 11 PC acting like a turtle? Laggy mouse, slow boot times, or apps taking forever to open? It's frustrating, right? But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven steps to fix a slow Windows 11 PC and make it fly again. Let's dive in. The number one reason for a slow PC is too many apps running in the background. Right-click on your Start button or taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Look at this list. These apps start automatically when you turn on your PC. Right-click on the ones you don't need immediately, like Spotify or gaming launchers, and hit Disable. This alone can cut your boot time in half. Next up, let's clean up the junk. A full hard drive slows everything down. Go to Settings, then System, and click on Storage. Here, make sure you turn on Storage Sense. Windows will now automatically delete temporary files and trash for you. You can also click on Temporary Files manually to clear gigabytes of old update files and cache. Windows 11 looks beautiful, but those animations cost performance, especially on older hardware. Search for View Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance tab, click Settings. If speed is your priority, select Adjust for Best Performance, or at the very least, uncheck Animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing. Your PC will feel snappier instantly. Sometimes the lag isn't your fault, it's a bug. Go to Windows Update and make sure you are running the latest version. More importantly, check for Optional Updates to see if there are any driver updates for your graphics card or processor. Keeping drivers updated is crucial for stability. Here is a bonus pro tip. Go to the Control panel and find Power Options. By default, Windows is set to Balanced. Switch this to High Performance. This tells your PC to prioritize speed over saving energy. So, give these settings a try and let me know in the comments how much faster your PC is running now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.